Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. Just a quick video to show you the screens of all of our favorite watches. So this is the OnePlus Watch 3. You've got the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic here, and then we've got the Pixel Watch 4. I've put on the same watch face for all three of the watches so you can see the difference in them. The OnePlus Watch 3, the screen size is 47mm, 1.5 inch. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is 46mm and the screen size is 1.34. And the Pixel Watch is 41mm and the screen size is 1.27. Now, looking at the screen, the smallest screen out of all of them is the Pixel Watch. But for some reason, this looks bigger than this one. The Pixel Watch 4 screen seems bigger than the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. And that could be the reason, because of the dome on the Pixel Watch. It makes it look much bigger. The watch face is actually, with the bezel being smaller and the dome effect, it just kind of like curves out, which looks nice. Whereas with the Galaxy 8 Classic, because of the way it's been designed, it just, for some reason, it looks small and enclosed. And then with the OnePlus Watch 3, it's obviously much bigger, looks big, looks nice, and it looks open as well. So let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let us know which one you think looks better in terms of the size, the clarity, the brightness. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. I've just changed the color of this one to blue just to match that. I just realized that was green. But look at that now. How does it look? This one, it's all open. There's nothing around, whereas this one, it's got the ring around and then you got another bezel inside it. And this one, it's got a ring around here but nothing inside, so it's much more open. Which one do you think stands out more? I mean, look at the blacks. It looks really outstanding on the watches. Which one stands out more? And then you've got the colors. The brightness is the highest set on all of them on with always on display. Which one do you think looks amazing? So look at the black inside the OnePlus Watch 3. The black looks a little bit washed out. It's not as dark and striking as the others. The complication is because the watch is bigger, it stands out. That's fine. And then you got the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. It's smaller, but the black, the deep black, is much nicer, stands out more. The complication is smaller, probably because the watch face is size is smaller than the OnePlus Watch 3. But then you've got the smallest watch, which is the 41mm, 1.27 inch screen size. And for some reason, this one kind of strikes out and is shiny and striking. It's probably because of the dome effect glass it has on top. Everything just kind of like comes out of it. The black is strikingly black, and the rest of the watch face, so even though the complication is smaller like the Watch 8 Classic, it stands out much more on the Pixel Watch for some reason. And I think it's probably because of the effect that it has from the dome glass and the way it kind of curves out the watch face. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but the watch face kind of like curves out along the edges as well. Don't know if you can see when I tilt the watch faces, but it looks really nice. Anyway guys, let me know what your takes are on these watch faces and the screen. Just going to show you each of the watches individually. How does it look? So that's the Pixel Watch 4. Let's have a look at the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic now. So here we have the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. What do you think? Okay, So this is the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. What do you think, the watch face? Let me show you the OnePlus Watch 3 now. So here I have the OnePlus Watch 3. How does the watch face look? If you look at the color closely, the black, the screen, looks to me, the black on the OnePlus Watch 3 looks slightly washed compared to the Watch 8 Classic. It looks slightly darker compared to the OnePlus Watch 3. So that's all three of the watches. And then we've got the Pixel watch here as well. There you go, all three watches. So that's all for today, guys. We hope you find this video useful and informative. If you have, please do give it a like and support us grow our channel by subscribing. Also, please do let us know your thoughts on these watches. Do you have one of these watches? If so, which one? Or are you planning to upgrade? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.